When we work with exponential functions, we will see the value e pop up quite commonly. Similar to pi, which is reserved as a mathematical constant, approximately equal to 3.1416. Technically, it's an infinitely repeating decimal. The value for e is approximately equal to 2.718. Our value for pi was probably derived in a geometry course that you took in the past. But if we consider a circle with a radius of r, then what we can do is construct the function c equals 2 pi r, meaning the circumference is equal to 2 pi times the radius. That equation gives us a definition for pi, which we can then write as the circumference divided by 2 times the radius. Or if we rewrite that in terms of the diameter, since the diameter is just twice the distance of the radius, we can say that pi is equal to the ratio of the circumference divided by the diameter of a circle. So that specific relationship is always equal to pi, and we have this approximation for it. Our value for e is derived through the study of compound interest, and specifically it's the value of the formula 1 plus 1 over n to the nth power as our value for n approaches infinity. To show where this comes from, we could complete a table of values for that expression that we listed above as our value for n increases. When we plug in n equals 1, we would get 2. For n equals 2, we would get 2.25, 2.48832, 2.593742, 425. And then once we get up to n is equal to 1,000, we would get 2.7169, 239. We start making some bigger jumps. Now we're jumping to n equal to 100,000, which would give us 2.71, 82682. When n equals 1 million, we would get 2.7182805. And when n is equal to 1 billion, we would get 2.7182821. And in each of these cases, except for that the first couple, these are repeating decimals, so really these values are continuing on. We're just cutting them off kind of arbitrarily. But what we can see is that as we plug in larger and larger values for n into this expression, we're getting this value that's approaching approximately 2.718. And that, again, just becomes a specific mathematical definition, similar to how pi always has a specific fixed value in mathematics. The letter e also has a specific fixed value.